didn't have no problem last time.
I had the rope, I was pulling it. Get it up high enough.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think I can.
If you think you can, I can go. I can handle it from up there.
I'm good, right where I'm at. I think you can get it. Once we get one more truck going, I'll be up on the wall anyway.
Yeah, I mean, we can try if you want to.
Alright,
Let's probably put on some gloves.
Come on, buddy, you push it.
There you go.
If only it was like another foot longer.
We can make it another foot longer.
Behind this thing.